Okay, what's up guys? Back with another video. Today I got my side skirts. Garage stick side skirts. Excited to put these on. But before I put these on, I gotta wash the car. This thing's a little dirty. It's not too bad, but it's definitely not the cleanest thing in the world. So I think I'll do a little time lapse of me cleaning the car, getting it all clean with my good old Griot's product. Griot sponsor me. Best detailing stuff in the game right here. Got my whole detailing bin. But yeah, let's cut to that time lapse. Okay, the car is all nice and shiny. Ceramic wax did its job. I'm gonna pass the camera off to Colin. And we're gonna open up these side skirts. So, got my handy dandy knife right here. You already know. Cut these bad boys. This is a big old box. Let's see, where's the next tape? I think we're doing. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to cut into these side skirts. It'd be a really bad move if I gotta be honest. Okay, all of these are off. I think I just got a cut right here. Okay, maybe not. Okay, finally got the box open. Here they are. We got a load of Garage Stick stickers. Let's go. Shout out Garage Stick. Oh, dropping them. Okay, time to bring these bad boys out. Got my. I ordered some extra studs because some of the studs on my car are stripped. So I'll put those aside. Time for the piece de resistance. Right here. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's see this. Crack them open. Oh god, what am I dropping? Oh, something's coming down. Let's see, let's crack this bag open. Ooh. 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 Alright. First one coming out. Or they might be taped together. Oh no, there you go. Oh my god, this thing's long. That's what she said. Okay. Put this bad boy down. Okay. I'm not totally sure how these are gonna mount up yet. I'm gonna have to figure it out. What side is this? Right here? We're gonna figure this one out because I'm not really sure how these mount up yet. I think it's got to be like. No, it won't be like that. What? We're gonna find out. Like this. I wonder where these go. I have no idea. We're gonna figure this out. Okay, so we got the side skirts finally mocked up. They're not mocked up 100% because I don't have anything holding it in place, but you can kind of see. Looks pretty solid so far. So the next step is I'm going to drill in these screws to get it more permanently put in, and then after that we'll make sure the fitment's good. I'll take it off, I'll sand it, and then we'll start painting. Okay, so I got my little ghetto painting rig set up. I'm going to hit all of these panels with some 1500 and 2000 sandpaper to clean them up, make sure I don't have any imperfections when I go to paint them, and then we'll get to painting. Okay, I got my first side all sanded, ready to go. Should be good enough. I sanded it with the 1500 and the 2000, so it should be all good. They don't need to be perfect. If I wanted them to be perfect, I would have taken it to a body shop, but I'm just doing it at home. I'll show you the paint I got over here. Oh, that's my clear coat, never mind. Good old spectral paint. Funny thing, when I bought this, see it says Cinnabar Red. My car is Zinnobarat, but turns out that means Cinnabar Red. So I was a little concerned when I first bought these, and then when I did this like test sheet, when I sprayed it, it came out like really pink at first. Once it dried, it got more red. So I think we're gonna do the first base coat and give her a little test. Okay, now that all of these are sprayed, I have to wait until they all dry, which will probably be tomorrow, and then I'll do my last few coats, let them dry again, and then that's when we're gonna put them on the car. So I'll see you guys when they dry. Okay guys, it's the next day. I don't know if you can tell or not, I just woke up. But I woke up, and after washing my car yesterday, look what these damn birds did. Absolutely dusted my hood. So foul. And I got some over here too. So I'm gonna have to hit this with a pressure washer before I leave, because I can't drive around looking like that. That's hella foul. But I let my side skirts chill overnight, and now I'm gonna start doing some clear coat. I think they came out really good actually. So far they look pretty solid. I'm hoping once I apply the clear coat, the color will match as best as possible, because these look just a tiny bit more of a vibrant red compared to mine, which is not the most vibrant red, probably because the paint's just faded. But I don't know, we'll see. These ones came out pretty good. They're looking pretty proper. These ones came out really good. I don't know what it was, but these ones just came out like so much like cleaner. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. So I'm gonna start laying down some clear, and then yeah, see how they look. Okay, I finally got the side skirts fully on the car. Looks pretty good, if I gotta be honest. You guys ready for the big reveal? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. I think it looks a lot better now. Now I don't have that little like curve in with all my pinch welds that are all fucked up. I think it looks pretty good. The only thing is the fact that since this is new paint and this paint's super faded, I've got to wait until this paint fades a little bit so it matches the rest of the car a little bit better. But other than that, I think it looks pretty damn good. The only thing is now it kind of accentuates the fact that I have nothing back here. So I definitely think I'm going to have to pick up a rear valance now, because the side profile of this car looks so good up until you get to the back. So yeah, that's definitely coming in the near future. Watch out for that. But I think now I'm gonna head over. I'm gonna meet up with Grant. We're gonna try to get maybe some rollers, some like finished video of this car now that the side skirts are all done. So I'll catch you guys then. All right, I made it. Pulled up. There's Grant's car right there. Big E30, guys. Side skirts looking clean as fuck. Grant's out here wrapping whips. Oh yeah. Grant, look at me.
Fuck off.
Grant's a little focused right now.
I actually lost my car keys. Huh? Maybe I actually lost my
This car was black before, now it's Nardo gray.
Nardo!
It's looking pretty solid if I do say so myself.
Well, thank you.
Big rap guy. Okay, so currently I'm in Grant's car. Grant's little E30. We got Grant behind us, if you can see, in my car. We're gonna hop on the freeway, and I'm gonna try to get some clips while I'm driving Grant's car. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll find out. I got my little POV set up down there too. Look at that man. Look at that man. Ooh, sheesh. All right. Okay, we got the POV set up. I'm gonna try to POV film and film at the same time. We're double filming out here. God, my car looks so good. Woo! go. You can really smell the catless. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing's, dude, my car fucking stinks. Holy shit. That's so funny. Dude, it's so funny seeing my car driving with not.
It's gotta be.
Yeah.
This thing sounds noticeably faster than my car too.
Yeah.
And look at the auto seat.
Okay. Now I'm gonna try to. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so funny. That is so funny. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god, I didn't realize my car literally smells. It's like you can really smell. Stinky car. Oh, that's so funny. Woo. Oh, it sounds so good. All right, just got back. What did you think, Grant? Fun car?
It was a little race car.
Little race car? Grant said it was very different than his car.
Clutch is a little weird, shifter's a little weird, bushings are a little weird, coils are a little weird. Fucking car is a little weird.
Yeah, got a little bit of
Fun
an.
though. It feels really good.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I could do that on like a road trip or something. I don't know how you
Yeah.
go that way and back it up.
Yeah, driving 6.5 hours and back in this car was definitely interesting, but
This thing though,
yeah.
1,000 miles in 2 weeks, no issues.
Yeah, this
And
thing
it's
was a
comfortable.
cruiser, total cruiser. I was chill. I was having a great time driving this thing.
Yeah.
Just chilling back. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed those little rolling clips. Hopefully I didn't do too terrible of a job. It was a little hard to drive and film at the same
bit.
time. But yeah. All right, I just pulled up to NC. I think I'm gonna buy a good old suction cup mount for the car to get some outside angles of the POV driving. So I'll have not only this for the POV, but then this for some outside view. Tay's out here plugging it. NC LG, you already know. All right, I think that's gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed putting on these side skirts, and I hope the rollers weren't too bad. It was a little difficult to drive and film at the same time, but I think it worked all right. So thanks for watching. My last video did really, really good. I'm sitting at 1.3 thousand views right now, which is sick. I'm really stoked on that. So keep watching the videos. Peace.